Good morning, first of all. Um so my topic is forecasting. Objective: understand the concept and the machines of forecasting. Explore partial applications and advantage of using casting. Identify its use in the games, engines, robotics, collisions, delections, and the simulation tools. Use example and the diagrams to help a visual how road travel and interact with the object. Next slide. Topics to be covered. Introduction to rowcasting. What is rowcasting? Types of rowcasting. Applications. Example and diagrams. Numerical applications. Advantage and limitations. As summary and reference. Introduction. Rowcasting is a technique used to simulate the path of row in the virtual environment. It helps determine what objects are visible from the specific point directions. Rows are cast from sources, example player, player or camera, to delete collisions or obstacles. Simpler and faster than the advanced technique like row tracking. Um, what is row casting? A method of the projecting row from a source into a scene. Detect the first object each row intersect, help determine visibility depth and the interactions, simplify reading in the 2D and basic 3D environments. Types of rowcasting: 2D rowcasting, 3D rowcasting, grid-based, static, and dynamic. Applications of rowcasting used in the 2D and 3D games engines, for visibility and the shooting. Uh, Collisions, deletions in the simulation, basic referending for the virtual environment and the 3D games. Example of 2D games: wall playing at the center, cast row in the all directions. Row detect the nearest wall in the 2D grid. Distance to walls used to simulate 3D depth. Common in the classic games like Wolfish and 3D. So this is a numerical examples. Row casting at 30 degree from 2 to 2 hits fall at the 5.3. Advantage of row casting: simple and fast to implement, efficient for 2D and earlier 3D readings, ideal for the resource limited environments. From the basic of more advanced. Limitations of broadcasting: cannot simulate advice, lightning or reflections, less realistic than the modern reading techniques. Performance can drop in the complex or higher resolution scenes. Summary: broadcasting is the foundation's rendering technique, efficient for the visibility and project object directions, widely used in the games, robotics, and the simulation. Helps understand more complex graphics concepts. Wolfenstein 3D developers notes real-time refending and the Agar Molar. Wikipedia Rowcasting Games Development Tutorial Unity and Gold. Thank you.